In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zendesk, specifically focusing on ticketing with views, macros, and tags. Whether you're new to Zendesk or looking to optimize your ticketing workflow, this guide will help you navigate through the setup process smoothly. Let's start by heading over to Zendesk. Once you're there, find the Admin Center, which serves as the control panel where you'll customize your ticketing features. By doing this, you can manage how tickets are processed and ensure they're organized effectively. Next, within the Admin Center, click on Workspaces. Workspaces provide a centralized area for managing the different components of your Zendesk setup, so getting familiar with this section is crucial. Now, you'll want to select Views. Views in Zendesk are essentially filters that display tickets based on the criteria you set, aiding in sorting and prioritizing tickets efficiently. Once you're in the Views section, look for an option to Add a View. This is where you begin creating tailored views to meet your team's unique needs. After clicking Add View, you'll be prompted to enter a title in the Highlight section. The title should be descriptive enough to instantly convey the purpose of the view. For example, naming a view Urgent Tickets can immediately inform agents about the nature of the tickets they'll be dealing with. Moving on, click on the description field and provide a brief but comprehensive explanation of the view. The Who Has Access field allows you to manage visibility by deciding whether the view is accessible to just certain agents or everyone on the team, ensuring that the right people handle the right tickets. Now let's talk about conditions. These dictate which tickets will appear in this view based on their properties. Under Tickets must meet all of these conditions. You can add specific conditions that a ticket must satisfy to be featured in this view. Similarly, Tickets can meet any of these conditions gives more flexibility, allowing tickets that meet at least one of the provided criteria to appear in the view. Click on Preview to check how your setup looks and feels. If it needs tweaks, proceed to Formatting options where you can adjust how the information is displayed. Once satisfied, make sure to hit Save to ensure all your configurations are recorded. With the view set up, let's move on to macros. Macros are a powerful tool in Zendesk that enable you to apply the same set of actions to a ticket with one click, saving time and maintaining consistency in ticket responses. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to handling tickets more efficiently, leading to improved productivity and response times in your customer service operations. Thank you for watching, and be sure to apply these steps to get the most out of your Zendesk experience.